Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky, and today what we're going to be doing is having a look at what is in my fire tin. Now fire tins are really important. If you're going camping and you're going to have a fire, you need to be able to light that fire. So the contents of this should be able to help us. But if you guys like this video, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe just below. And check out my Instagram as well. It's under Vicky Giraffe. I'll leave a link for it just below in the description there. So just press the little arrow and it will show you the Instagram, the Facebook, everything else there for you. So let's go in and have a see what's in our firebox. So if I just unclip it here, just if we open it up, straight away you've got a mirror there. So a mirror will help you out with lighting a fire. Now this box has actually got a seal all the way around the edges here, so it won't let any water in. And then the contents, we've got everything packed away in here. Everything is actually in little plastic bags that are sealed, so that if water does get into the container, then nothing is going to ever get wet because it's nice and sealed there. So let's start off with this one. This one is actually a fire lighter, so you can break that into smaller pieces and be able to light your fire that way. So just keep a good backup there. We also have this. This is a piece of lint, so it's just out of the tumble dryer there. So when you're clearing your tumble dryer out of all the old lint, just collect a little bit. What you'll be able to do with the lint is you'll be able to open it all out to show the fibres, and this will mean that when you put a spark on it, say with your flint and steel, it will catch the spark much easier and be able to turn into a flame then to be able to start your fire. The other thing we've got, which is soft as well, is a piece of cotton wool. So it does exactly the same as what the lint does. Just open it up and prise it open, and you can use it that way as well. I do have a little candle as well in there, so you can use that as a source. And then in here, I've got two things in here. So start off with this one, if I can get it out. So this is actually a piece of kit to be able to cut wood. So what it has is it's got two rings at the edge, and then it's got a piece of wire here. So what you tend to do is put your fingers through the holes, and then you wrap that round a branch, whatever you wanted there. What you'd be able to do is you'd be able to saw it then to be able to make the piece of wood smaller. But most of the time you'll be able to find sticks and twigs and pieces of wood off the floor if you're in your camping area with you. But if some of that is going to be damp, what you need is you need to always carry a little bit of dry wood so that you can start off your fire. So what I've got here is, just throw it at you, it's just a small few bits of twigs. Got a little bag full there. And that means that you'll be able to start off your fire, get a bit of a flame, get a little bit of heat through, so you've got something to light it that will keep the flame going. And you know it's going to be dry. Your other pieces of wood that are slightly damp or wet can then dry out and on top, and then they'll start catching the flame as well. So it's always good just to have something dry with you. But also if you are in a damp area, what you can do is you can put your tin on the floor and you can do your little fire in your tin. That just means that you've got a sturdy area to do it on. You know, you're not already starting off on a bad foot having a wet area. So you've got a fire tin to be able to put on the floor there. To be able to start your fire, you'll need a lighting tool. So what I've got here is flint and steel. So what I do is I just show it to you to how it sparks. You see there it sparks. What you'll do is you will aim at the fire where you want it to be. You're going to strike the flint and steel, and the sparks are going to go straight onto that area to be able to light it. So it might take a few attempts to get it going, but you will get there. So don't worry about that one. Another one is a lighter. So I've got a lighter here. Just makes life a lot easier as well. And then what I also have in my box is a little knife. So let me just open that one here for you. So it's only a very small penknife, but what that'll do is I can do shavings through it. So if I had a piece of wood, I can then do off a few shavings to be able to start my fire with. But I also have a pencil in my set, so I can use that for writing notes or anything else on my travels. But what I can also do is I can scrape off a bit of this wood around the pencil and be able to use that to start my fire. So that is a few things I have in my fire tin. Every single person's fire tin is different. So what we've got in our box is we've got three things. We've got something to light it with, something that will catch whatever you're lighting, so whether it's a spark or whether it is the lighter, the flame on the lighter being able to be caught. And then I've got the few bits of wood here as well to be able to start the fire. So everybody's fire tin will be completely different, so please be aware of that. But if you're going out with a couple of other people, then if your things in your box don't work as effectively as what you think, your friend also with you might be able to have something there for you as well that you can use. So there's lots and lots of different ways you can do it. But if you can, try and get a dry surface to be able to do your fire on. So maybe clearing away the leaves, so you just got the dirt there. You can do it inside your fire tin as well. So just something dry will give you so many more benefits to be able to start a fire. I'm going to leave it there for you today. I will see you guys soon, and hopefully in the next week, if we've got a dry day outside, we can do some fire lighting with you as well, so show you how to do that one. So I will see you soon, and if you like this video, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe below, and I will catch you soon. Okay, bye bye now.